Good evening, class. Let's talk about changing a percent to a fraction. Now, to change a percent to a fraction, remove the percent symbol, put over 100, then reduce. Now, putting the number over 100 is the same as dividing by 100. Okay? So, 66 and 66%. Let's take a look at that. So it says remove the percent symbol, put it over 100, and then we reduce. Now we know 66 is even, 100 is even, so 2 are going to 66 33 times, 2 are going to 100 50 times. So that's all we can do with 66%. 33%, remove the percent symbol and put it over 100, okay? Now, we can't reduce this because 33 is 3 times 11. 3 is prime, 11 is prime, and neither one of these will go into 100. That's how you know you can't reduce it anymore, okay? Let's take a look at 0.134%. Remove the percent symbol, put it over 100. Now, this time, the number in the numerator is a decimal. So what we need to do is move the decimal 1, 2, 3 places in the numerator. 1, 2, 3, 3 places in the denominator. Now, these little cups, you put zeros here. So our number is 134 over 100 and then 3 zeros. Now we need to reduce this, okay? Now this ends in a 4, so we know 2 will go into 134. 6 and 12. So this is 67 over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now 67 is a prime number. This is one of our prime numbers that we looked at. Okay? All right. Let's continue. Change to a fraction. So we're going to remove the percent symbol, put it over 100. Now, when the numbers end in 0, we can just cancel this. The same thing as divided by 10, 3 over 10. Problem 2, 1/4%. Put it over 100. Now, when we have a fraction in the numerator, we change our division to this. So now we are dividing fractions. When we divide fractions, we make sure that the first number is a fraction and the second number is a fraction. So I need to put a 1 here. And dividing fractions, we want to divide the correct one. What's the correct one? What's the right one? The one on the right. And we want to flip it. Top times the top, 1. Bottom times the bottom, 400. So 1 over 400. 66 2/3%. Remove the percent symbol. Put it over 100. Change this division to the one that we use with dividing fractions. All right, so we want to change this to a fraction. So this is 3 times 66 is 198 plus 2 is 200. Change this to a fraction by put a 1 under it. And then we flip the right one. Which is the right one? The one on the right. Now, when we are multiplying with fractions, we can look along the diagonals to see if they have anything in common. And these have 100 in common, okay? So 100 are going to 200 2 times, 100 are going to 100 1 time. Now we multiply. Top times the top, 2, bottom times the bottom, 3. So it's 2/3. All right, 0.13%. We remove the percent symbol and put it over 100. This time, the top is a decimal. And so we move the decimal 2 places to the right because we have 2 decimal places here, 1, 2, and we have to move it in the denominator, 1, 2. So this is 13, and we have to put zeros in those cups. And then we see if we can reduce. We cannot because 13 is prime. And then 77%, 77 over 100. We see if we can reduce. Now, 7 times 11 would give us 77, and neither 7 nor 11 would go into 100. So this stays the same. So this is changing a percent to a fraction. I hope this helps, and I'll talk to you later.